up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Party Pop Mystery Bag from IPSY. I ordered this all the way back in March. I still haven't opened it, so let's see what's inside. Don't mind my makeup. I have been unboxing and trying on different products, just messing around. Shades of Shan, the Pore Diffusing Primer. I will not be opening this. To be honest, I have so many primers and I rarely use them. I really only use primer if I'm going full glam, which is not so often anymore. So I'm gonna put that in the gift bin. Next is the R.E.M Beauty, ooh, a bronzer in Blaze. Whoa, that looks really dark. Okay, nervous. I actually really like R.E.M Beauty. I've heard mixed reviews. I like the simplicity of it. I do really like her packaging too. It's always like spaceshipy and futuristic. That's pretty dark. Should I try it? Oh dear. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Not sure if you could see it on my hand. It's actually not as dark as it looks in the pan. It is giving a lot of fallout. So. It is completely matte, which is really nice. I honestly don't even know if you could tell what I'm putting on. I have so much makeup on right now just from messing around. Okay, overall, I'll try it. I'll give it a go. I'll probably use this tomorrow when I get ready, but as of now, I can't really tell if I like it or not. I do really like the packaging, and the color is more intimidating than the payoff, so yeah. Next is the Sela Intense Mineral Serum Glacial Water Collection. Ooh, oh no, I thought it was a spray. It's not, it's just. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know. The product smells old. I don't know if I let these sit too long. I feel like not really. These boxes are only 2 months old, but in my most recent unboxings, I've had a few products that just have that old product smell where it's like kind of sweet, kind of sour. It just doesn't smell right, and this does not smell right. So I don't know if I'm gonna be using that. Okay, there's 2 more products left. We have the Beauty Creations Blush in Mood. I don't think I have that. I love these Beauty Creation blushes. So I actually really love these blushes. I have Vibing With You, which is like a bubblegum pink. No, that's not a bubblegum pink. It's like a berry type pink. And then I have my favorite, that's what the name of it is. I actually used this earlier today, and it's kind of like this mauve-y bubblegum color. So another one in Mood. This one actually looks really cute. It's like this brick color. So much stuff on right now. I don't even know if you'll be able to tell if I put this on or not. So it is more cool tone than the packaging lets on. Like, look at the difference. This looks like definitely more red, and this looks definitely more purple. Even in person, it looks more purple, like not just on the camera. Those are really similar. This is Vibing With You, this is Mood, so I don't know how they get off putting this on the label, because that is not at all. Anyways, I'm still gonna use it. I love these blushes. They're really nice. They're super light. They're not splotchy. I like the packaging. So for Beauty Creations, honestly, this is a really good product. Thank you. And lastly, in this little surprise beauty bag is the Blink eyeshadow stick in bronze. We love a bronze eyeshadow stick. It doesn't look bronze, it looks gold. I wouldn't call that bronze. It's definitely gold. but very pretty and very soft and blendable. It actually is really pretty though, so cool. Super glittery. I'm trying to wipe it off and like it's all over my hand. That is what was in the Party Pop mystery bag from IPSY for the month of March. If you like these videos, leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.